Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove quick add option in Snapchat. So this is a very annoying option for some people. So for example, if I open up my Snapchat and then capture a picture and then click on next, you will see quick add option here. So this is very annoying for people. Or when you go to your chat and when you search for people, you will see quick add option. So how can you disable that? For that, you need to click on your profile icon in the top left and then click on settings and then scroll all the way to the bottom and then click on contact sensing and then tap delete all contacts data. Click on confirm and this has deleted your all contacts. Now go back and then scroll up and then click on see me in quick data under privacy control and then uncheck box this option. Now when I restart my Snapchat and if I create a snap and then click on next, you won't see quick add option. Or when I go to my chat and if I search for people, you won't see quick add. So this is how you can remove quick add in your Snapchat app. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.